The US market W123s come with a sealed headlight, red arrow, and a sealed fog light, yellow arrow. Whether you have the sealed beams or the Euro version, you will need to remove the front surround, blue arrow, to change the lights or bulbs. Begin by reaching behind the lights and completely unscrewing and removing the 3 plastic wheels on the rear of the housing, as indicated by the red arrows. Do not break or lose these, as they are getting hard to replace. With the 3 wheels removed, you can pull the surround forward and off the chassis. You can now access the Phillip head screws that hold the headlight and fog light rings and lamps in place. There are 3 for the headlights, red arrows, and 2 for the fog lights, yellow arrows. Loosen the screws on the lamp you want to replace. With the screws loosened, slip the retaining ring and lamp out of the assembly. The headlight and fog lights are both held in the retaining rings by the metal clips on the rings. To replace the fog light, loosen the 2 screws and slip the ring and lamp from the assembly. Pull back the rubber protective cover and disconnect the 2 wiring connections, red arrows. Installation is the reverse of removal. You can use the 4 plastic knobs on the rear of the housing to aim the lights. Adjuster 1 adjusts the headlight height. Adjuster 2 adjusts the headlight lateral adjustment. Adjuster 3 adjusts the lateral adjustment of the fog light, and Adjuster 4 adjusts the height of the fog light. While you should have your lights professionally aimed, a good rule of thumb is to park your vehicle approximately 15 feet away from a flat white wall. Measure the height to the center of your headlights and mark this on the wall. With the high beams on, the light should not project above this point on the wall. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article, along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.